So which marshmallow Flummee should we draw next? Let's find out. Alright, how's it going? I'm a Flummee artist, and if you've never been on this channel before, I create these little characters called Marshmallow Flummeez. See, what we do is, I take requests in the comments section, and I'm gonna dress them up. Think of it as marshmallow cosplay. So let's have a look and see what we're gonna dress them up as today. Oh, I think she's right. I think we really do need a Kingdom Hearts Flummee. So this is how many I've created so far. I've created loads. I'm gonna put my music on actually. And we're gonna create a Kingdom Hearts one. A lot of requests for that one. A lot of requests. Kingdom Hearts. Okay. I know what you're thinking. It looks nothing like him right now. What's the main character called from this? What's he called? I'm not really worrying about the colors right now. I'm just worrying about blocking it all in. I'm just focusing on the details, like the big chunky details, because again, it's cosplay. It's Flummee cosplay. This isn't actually the character from Kingdom Hearts. It's sort of like a parody. It's him dressing up as it. There you go. Looks nothing like him already. So have we got any other vector artists watching? What medium do you use? Do you use Photoshop more? Do you use Illustrator more? Do you use both? Let me know in the comments. It's got like a blue and white jacket. From what it seems. Flummee, Marshmallow Flummeez, I haven't got any arms. So what happened was, as I was recording this video, the sound stopped working. So you're gonna see me talking, and it's muted. Let's see how long it takes before I realise. Let's see. Nope. Not realised yet. I'm just chatting away. Seem to be talking about something interesting there. Wonder what I'm talking about. A little pout. Just checking the references. Everything seems to be in order. So it seems for the past half an hour? I'd say the past half an hour, the mic was muted. So, doesn't matter, I'll carry on. What I was saying was, all the secrets of graphic design and illustration, and I give away all the tools of the trade, so it's a shame you missed it, really. Currently now via Spotify, I'm listening to the actual Kingdom Hearts soundtrack just to get in the mood, to get inspired. I once worked in the Disney store actually. Not sure where I was going with that, but yep, I once worked in a Disney store. You'd think it'd be really good, wouldn't you? But after an hour, the songs get repeated. She'll go into work all happy, thinking, oh, this is nice. I'm listening to Disney music, but an hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later, songs keep playing. And by the end of the shift, can't get them out of your head. And when you're trying to sleep, all you can hear is Mickey Mouse's voice. Anyway, I went in the zone then. I forgot what I was even doing. So I'm doing a key, okay? Does that ever happen to you with vector art or art in general? You just go in the zone and then a little while later you're thinking, wait, when did I draw that? That just happened to me then. Is he holding that or is it attached? Oh, is it like... Oh, okay. Uh-oh. I kinda did it wrong.
Fly, Flummee, fly. Ba, ba, ba.
Get in there. Let's get in there. Tell you what I'm gonna do is, in 3 seconds it's gonna be finished. You ready? 1, 2... If you want to see some more Flummeez, check out Instagram, Facebook and Twitter at Flummeez, and on my own social media at @aFormanArtist. I'll be posting lots of other art there too. You'll find me illustrating on Twitch too. That's twitch.tv/@aFormanArtist. Come and say hi. So, I'll see you soon. Bye bye bye. Don't forget to leave comments about which one you want me to draw next. And whilst you're there, feel free to subscribe. And if you look here, the next video, I'm either draw on another Flummee, it'll be Flummee animations, or there's one of the art challenges that we do, like doodle shapes. feel free to check it out.